Time now for Night Court, with Walmart under fire over the alleged dress code for its delivery workers. A class action lawsuit brought by a woman in Alabama claims the retail giant only provides work pants and launders them for male employees. While Walmart claims that no employee is required to wear company-issued pants, the proposed class action argues the policy amounts to blatant sexism. To dress down the arguments tonight, Washington, D.C. trial attorney Joe Camerata, along with criminal defense attorney David Bruno. Great to have you both back, and we will kick this off with Exhibit A. It's from the complaint. It says drivers are required to wear uniforms consisting of pants and a shirt while working on their jobs as a condition of employment. A driver not wearing the mandated uniform is subject to immediate termination. However, defendant Walmart only provides men's pants to be worn by both male and female drivers. Joe.
You know, I have a bias in favor of people like Ms. Webb, who brought this lawsuit, because I represent people who are aggrieved, who suffer harm through no fault of their own. They're discriminated against, abused, et cetera, et cetera. And I was asked to take up the side of Walmart. And when I read the complaint, I couldn't believe that this woman was bringing a claim that somehow these pants didn't fit her and somehow there was discrimination. She filed a claim with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, who investigated her claim of discrimination and found that there was no evidence of discrimination. And they gave her a right to sue letter, meaning, hey, lady, you want to bring a lawsuit? Do it on your own. And so she found a lawyer who claims in press reports that she's looking for $300 to $400 because she had to purchase pants and have them laundered. Now, there's also press reports that provide that months before she filed a lawsuit, the company provided her with pants that were fit properly. Yeah. And so this claim that somehow men's pants, I don't even know what men's pants are. There are men that wear the same size as women. And how about a tailor? How about asking for a different pair of pants? I mean, look, this lawsuit is a waste of time and effort, and I'm surprised that a lawyer, and then he's filing a class action lawsuit to boot. So,
well, you get more people involved,
I think it's a little much.
It turned into a different lawsuit. Okay, this gets us to Exhibit B, sure and this is part of what you mentioned, Joe. The Walmart statement says this from a spokesperson: months before the lawsuit was filed, Ms. Webb was fitted for company-provided pants, which she now has. We continue to review our clothing offerings for male and female drivers. We take these allegations seriously and will respond in court as appropriate. David?
Yeah, when I read it, I was surprised. Number one, I was surprised that Walmart only provides male pants. And number two, I'm surprised that Walmart hadn't acted prior to this. I mean, we're talking about this, and we're talking about a lawsuit. They were on notice last year. And look, it's not good for PR. I mean, let's just start there, legally or not. And I'm on the side for the plaintiff. For PR purposes, this can't be good for Walmart whatsoever. In a very competitive marketplace where you have Amazon delivering on 2 days, Walmart's starting to slide a little bit there. Why would they want this in the press to begin with? And number two, you know, this is the policy. So I understand that maybe this particular plaintiff was accommodated at least in some tailored pants in one way or the other. But the class action is for all women out there. All women should have the same opportunity as men. And I'm not a woman, so I can't tell you what the difference is between the two, but I would imagine it's in the groin. There's a couple other things. Why in the world can't Walmart come to terms in 2022 to provide women with women's pants? So that is why I am on the plaintiff's side, and I disagree with my esteemed colleague.
Yeah, Walmart goes on to say that no associate
fee.
Well, they go on to say Walmart does that no associate, male or female, is required to wear company-provided pants. So I'm actually left with a lot of questions in this. So we'll track the case and see which one of you has the better argument. And you're always a good sport to take the sides that we assign you. Joe and David, thank you both.
Always a pleasure, Shannon.
Thank you, Shannon. Good to see you, David.